How to change your TikTok reason. If any day any of you are a TikTok user and you would like to change your TikTok reason, but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to launch your TikTok application on your mobile device. For that, you can find the very TikTok application and tap on it like this. After you tap on the TikTok application like this, TikTok will be launched on your mobile device. After TikTok is launched on your mobile device, you have to go to your profile like icon on the downside. After tapping on the profile like icon on the downside, now you have to go to the three lines on the top. Then go to the option of settings and privacy. After tapping on settings and privacy, now you have to tap on the privacy like this. After tapping on the privacy like this, now you have to just scroll down. Now after scrolling down, if you see the option of the TikTok reason here, it's okay. Otherwise, you have to search the very option of the location. If you do not find the option of location directly here, then what you can do is you can go to the next option. That is, you can go to the option of language here. After tapping on the option of language here, you can also change the app language here, because when changing the app language as well, the reason may be changed for some while. If you do not find the option of changing the TikTok reason directly, now what you can do is you have to search VPN on your mobile device. And after you search VPN on your mobile device, you have to tap on VPN like this. After tapping on VPN like this, now VPN will be launched on your mobile device. With the help of VPN, you can change your reason to any of the place that you want. So after tapping on VPN and just using the VPN, you can change your very location to any of the place. For example, after tapping on connect like this, then you can change the location to the place that you want, and this way you can change the location. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.